The 2 Tires Guide to the Michelin Pilot Road 4SC, Scooter Fitment. The Michelin Pilot Road 4SC was our best-selling scooter tire in 2023. We could just leave it there. You could buy this tire and the chances are you'll be very happy, but let's explain what this tire is all about and who fits them. The Pilot Road 4SC is designed for maxi scooters and mirrors Michelin's Road series for motorcycles. These tires are popular because they work well in all conditions and warm up quickly. The tread pattern includes Michelin's sipes, which help the tire remove water, giving them a sure-footed feel even in torrential conditions. The one downside to the Road 4SCs is their limited range of fitments. If you ride a smaller scooter, these won't fit, but check out Michelin's City Grip 2. If you commute on your maxi scooter and you don't want to think about your tires, these are the tires to fit. We hope this guide gave you some useful info. There's more information and owner reviews of this tire on our website, just click the link in the description. See you next time and ride safe.